Hello besties, welcome back to another video. So today's vlog, it's mostly about creating space for the baby nursery. Like the time is fast approaching and I haven't done anything. So because my room is very big, I have a 2-in-1 bedroom. So I am creating a baby nursery in the room, and also because I'm a CS mom, this is very easy, or it's more convenient for CS mom to have the baby very close to you, because the movement from one bedroom to another is not always the best, especially in the night. And also because I have the space. So if you're someone who doesn't have a space or don't have another extra room to create baby nursery, you can find a way to create a nursery in your bedroom. It will work. With all my kids, I created space in my bedroom, but this one is really a big room, like I said. So I can't wait to see the transformation. So yeah, let's go. By the way, I've always had this massage pillow on this sofa. I was planning on buying a new sofa, but I rather decided to go with a sofa cover or a cleaning product. So I'm going to try a cleaning product that I saw on Amazon and see if he cleans the sofa. If he doesn't clean the sofa, then we'll go in with the sofa with a chair cover. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna transform the room. So far, these are the spaces I'm gonna be working with. But one, let's start with cleaning.
This one, yes, I'm there. And I'm sitting in the movie theater.
Taking a break to eat.
Let's go, Mom.
Eating time.
Perfecta. Hello.
Chief.
I like my cutting.
See, everything has been shoved to that side of the room, and yeah, so I have to reposition things back so I can have space to sleep. But so far, the wall is dried already. It's already dry. See, I'm just gonna peel off all of this, vacuum clean one more time, mop one more time, and then start positioning the stuff that I need to position.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.